Good morning, children. Welcome to our classroom. Are you ready for a fun learning adventure today? Today, we are going to travel around our beautiful planet Earth. And guess what? We won't need a bus, a train, or even a plane. Look at this globe on the table. Wow, it's spinning slowly. As the globe turns, we can see many different colors. Do you see all this blue on the globe? Why do you think there is so much blue? Let's think together. What could the blue color mean? Now, let's look at the Earth from space. From far away, our planet looks blue and shiny. That's because about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Yes, more than half of our planet is water. Because Earth has so much water, it is lovingly called the blue planet. Water makes our planet special. It gives us life, food, rain, and a home for many animals. On Earth, the big water bodies are called oceans, and the large land areas are called continents. Let's look at them side by side. Blue areas show oceans, and green-brown areas show continents. The word ocean comes from a Latin word meaning a huge river circling the world. Oceans are huge water bodies that cover most of the Earth. They look calm sometimes and wild at other times. If we look under the water, a whole new world appears. Oceans are full of life and happiness. Oceans are not only homes for animals, they also help people travel from one place to another. They help control the Earth's climate. Did you know there are 5 oceans on Earth? They are all connected to each other like one big water family. Let's see them one by one. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. It covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. The deepest part of the Earth, the Mariana Trench, is found here. It has about 25,000 islands, did you know? It was named by Ferdinand Magellan. He found it calm and called it Pacific, which means peaceful. Next comes the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean. It lies between North and South America on one side and Europe and Africa on the other. It's shaped like the letter S and named after the Greek god Atlas. Now look at the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean and has a triangular shape. It is special because it is named after a country, India, the Southern Ocean. This ocean surrounds the icy continent of Antarctica. It is called the Southern Ocean. It connects parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Finally, we see the Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest and shallowest ocean in the world. It is frozen for most of the year and is home to polar bears. Our oceans are precious. They give us food, water, travel routes, and help keep the Earth cool. We saw how oceans cover most of the Earth and give life to many animals. But oceans are not the only important part of our planet. If we look carefully at the globe again, we will notice something else besides blue. Along with the blue oceans, we can see green and brown areas. These areas are not water, they are land. Large land areas on the Earth are called continents.
A continent is a very large piece of land. People live on continents. Plants grow on continents. Animals walk, run, and fly on continents. There are 7 continents on Earth, and each one is special in its own way. Oceans and continents are connected to each other. Oceans surround continents and touch their shores. Rivers begin on continents and flow into oceans. Clouds rise from oceans and bring rain to the land. This is how Earth stays alive and balanced. Now, let us travel from one continent to another. As we move across the globe, we will see how oceans separate and connect them. Our journey begins with the largest continent of all, Asia. Asia is the largest continent on Earth. Many oceans touch Asia: the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Because of this, Asia has different types of weather. Asia is home to millions of people. Countries like India, China, and Japan are found here. The Himalayas, the world's largest mountain range, rise high in Asia. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, stands proudly here. Now we move across the ocean to Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of Africa, and the Indian Ocean lies to the east. Because of this, Africa has long coastlines. Africa has the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. The Nile River, the longest river on Earth, flows through Africa. Lions, elephants, giraffes, and zebras roam freely here. Next, we sail across the sea to Europe. Europe is smaller in size but rich in history and culture. The Atlantic Ocean lies to its west, and the Arctic Ocean lies to its north. The Mediterranean Sea touches its southern side. Europe and Asia are connected by land and together called Eurasia. Crossing the Atlantic Ocean, we reach North America. It is the third largest continent. Oceans surround North America on three sides: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The Appalachian Mountains are among the oldest in the world. The Niagara Falls shows the power of flowing water. Moving south, we arrive at South America. It is connected to North America by a narrow land bridge. The Pacific Ocean lies to the west, and the Atlantic Ocean lies to the east. Rain from these oceans feeds the Amazon River, the largest river in the world. The Andes Mountains, the longest mountain range, stretch along this continent. The anaconda snake lives in its rivers. Far to the south lies Antarctica. It is completely surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Antarctica is always cold and covered with ice and snow. That is why it is called the White Continent. No people live here permanently. Penguins, seals, and whales make this icy land their home. Our journey ends at Australia. It is the smallest continent and is surrounded by oceans on all sides. The Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean touch its shores. Because it is surrounded by water, it is called an island continent. Australia has unique animals like kangaroos and koalas. The Sydney Opera House is a famous landmark. Now look at our Earth once again. Blue oceans and colorful continents fit together like pieces of a puzzle. Oceans separate continents, but they also connect them. Continents give us homes and oceans give us life. Our planet is beautiful and precious. We must protect our land and water, save trees, keep oceans clean. Care for animals because Earth is our only home. Our Earth is precious. Let us promise to protect our oceans and land, because there is no planet B. Thank you, children. See you on our next learning adventure.